Hello there and welcome back. In this video, I want to have a conversation with you in the comment section below this video. I want to create a course called Public Speaking for Beginners. Let's say it's an hour-long course with videos, templates, checklists, and other resources. What would you want personally out of a course called Public Speaking for Beginners? Now, I already have an advanced course or intermediate course called Present Like a Pro, but I want to make a course that is your first experience in a step-by-step sequential class in getting you ready to speak publicly, your first experience with a course. So what kinds of struggles do you have? What kinds of lessons would you benefit from? And I would love to hear your answers to that question in the section below the video. I'm going to study your ideas, study your notes over the next several weeks and even a couple of months, and really figure out a way to best answer the kinds of questions you have so that when I record this and script it out, it fits your interests. It helps you move forward in your speaking. I don't want to make a course in isolation, and I need your feedback to make sure it is really high quality. So I look forward to chatting with you back and forth in that section below the video. I read all the comments. I'm going to study those comments. I'm going to respond to everything. And I really think with your help, I can create an excellent level Public Speaking for Beginners course. So thanks, and I'll talk to you in the comment section below.